Hello, I'm Ashley, and this is the most updated video you'll find on Bioma Probiotics. Today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Bioma before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Bioma is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Bioma Probiotics is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Bioma without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always check you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Bioma and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Bioma has helped thousands of Wollman, and it can work for you too. After many laboratory studies, researchers identified a natural formula with powerful probiotic strains and digestive supporting compounds like prebiotics and postbiotics. These ingredients work together to restore balance in your gut microbiome, which plays a critical role in how your body digests food, stores fat, and regulates cravings. The probiotic strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium help to repopulate your gut with beneficial bacteria, improving digestion and reducing inflammation. The prebiotics act as food for these good bacteria, allowing them to grow and stay active longer, while the postbiotics support the health of your gut lining and further reduce inflammation. Bioma slow-release capsules ensure that these probiotics reach your intestines alive, where they can be most effective. By improving your gut health, Bioma also helps regulate hormones related to appetite and fat storage, such as leptin and insulin, which means you can naturally curb cravings, reduce bloating, and improve your metabolism to burn fat more efficiently. If you've been struggling to lose weight, feeling bloated, or dealing with a slow metabolism, Bioma was designed exactly for that. It helps reduce gut inflammation, curb cravings, and support fat metabolism naturally and without harsh stimulants. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Bioma, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Bioma for 14 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Bioma to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Bioma has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Bioma Probiotics from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Bioma actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.